Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about timer for Southbend part number 11756670. The Southbend 11756670 timer is a mechanical timer designed to control the operation of a range or oven. It is used to set the cooking time for a specific dish and will shut off the oven or range when the time has elapsed. The timer has two knobs, one for setting the cooking time and one for setting the temperature. The timer can be set to cook for up to 60 minutes and can be adjusted in 1-minute increments. The temperature knob can be set from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 degrees Fahrenheit increments. The timer also features an audible alarm that will sound when the cooking tea. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a timer for a Southbend commercial oven. It is used to control the cooking time of the oven and can fix symptoms such as the oven not turning on, not heating up properly, or not shutting off when it should. Here is how you install this part. 1. Locate the timer on the back of the Southbend oven. 2. Disconnect the power to the oven before beginning installation. 3. Remove the screws that secure the timer to the oven and carefully remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new timer in place of the old one, making sure that all connections are properly secured and aligned. 5. Reconnect power to the oven and test that the timer is functioning correctly by setting a time and observing that it counts down as expected. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.